And welcome to Gardener Gone Wild. Yes, the first 30 seconds of this video was Mr. Big Duck talking. And here we have Addy and the Addylings. Yes, this is Gardener Gone Wild Critter Cam. Critters, that's not meant for you. Critters. Critters. Here we go, critters. So yes, here we've got the Addylings. Hello. It looks like they've had enough of me for today. At least Addy has. So I believe that's all for this video. And as usual, surely you like the Addylings. So surely you like this video. And also remember, if you haven't subscribed already, you can always press that magical button. And yeah, really thank you for watching. And until next time on Gardener Gone Wild. And I guess this is the Critter Cam. Aren't they cute? Yes, they really love Mount Chickweed. Wonder why they call it chickweed. And the best videos are the videos of Mr. Big Duck in.